Well, we had clear skies yesterday and overnight, so that allowed for a very chilly start to the day. We started at 43 degrees here in Eugene, but the clear skies lasted throughout the day, so we did warm up to 84 degrees. Now let's take a look at how we compared towards the rest or to the rest of the state. 57 was a high today in Newport, 63 in North Bend. Heading inland, 87 down in Roseburg, 84 as well in Corvallis, and 2 degrees cooler up towards Portland. And for the rest of the state, we had some 70s out there. They did see some clouds and a few isolated showers out towards John Day, 79 there. LeGrand making it up to 82 and 89 in Ontario, but the hot spot of the day for the second day in a row is Medford at 92 degrees down there. Very warm temperatures, and that may be what we will see tomorrow. Now, first, let's take a look at our current temperatures. Sitting at 86 right now in Roseburg, 78 in Cottage Grove, 82 in Eugene, and 81 up towards Corvallis. We're in the 50s along the coast, 59 in Florence, 53 in North Bend. And as we head out towards Central Oregon, sitting at 73 degrees in Blue River and even 67 degrees over Willamette Pass. So already beginning to cool things down. We're going to fall into the 40s once again because we'll have those clear skies overnight and even a few 30s as you head out towards the Cascades and Central Oregon. Now, what we have going on across the entire state, you can see not much going on, not only in Western Oregon, Central Oregon, but even in Eastern Oregon. It was a clear day across most of the area, though we did have those isolated showers. Now, most of that shower activity is now further off towards our east, bringing some rain showers and some lightning strikes to parts of Idaho and Montana and Wyoming, but we're not concerned about that here in our state. We just have some clouds and some fog now moving in along the coast. You can see it pretty much right along the coast. This is the marine layer that pushes in as we head later into the afternoon due to the uneven heating of the ocean and the surface. So those clouds form and push on in to the coastal areas. And if you live out there, I'm pretty sure you can already tell that the fog has moved in and it's already beginning to be kind of gloomy out there. But we do have high pressure in control of our weather. That is keeping a big storm system up towards Alaska, bringing some hurricane force winds there. So high pressure will remain in control of our weather as we head into tomorrow and for the rest of the week for the most part. Although due to the wind shift between offshore and onshore flow, that will dictate the cloud cover that we should see and also our temperatures. Now, as we play through Precision Cast, showing the cloud cover, starting it this evening, you can see those clear skies, those slightly bringing on those clouds of marine layer in along the coast. Now, as we fast forward into tomorrow morning, those clouds begin to drift down towards the south. So we're looking at mostly sunny skies along the coast in right around noon and into the afternoon. And then as we move into the evening hours on Monday, you can see the entire state of Oregon, though, keeping it clear out there until we move into Tuesday when that marine layer filters back on into the area on Tuesday morning, that is, before switching to mostly sunny skies later in the day. So along the coast, here's a breakdown of your forecast. Mid-60s on Monday. We'll have the fog and clouds to start the day, but plenty of sun later in the day. As we head into Tuesday, we cool back into the low 60s. Fog in the morning, sun in the afternoon. Then we'll add a few more clouds as we switch towards onshore flow on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But highs are still going to be in the low 60s. Umpqua Basin, low 90s tomorrow, so it is going to feel very hot once again. Also a light breeze, so not much relief there. We'll cool off into the upper 80s. So not much on Tuesday, mid-80s on Wednesday, and then we get more clouds filtering on in, also cooler temperatures on Thursday into the low 80s. Cascades, low 70s over the passes, mid-80s in the foothills, sunny skies, but we will have some smoke from the Pole Creek fire throughout the day. Central Oregon, same thing. Otherwise, highs are going to be in the mid-80s through about Thursday before slightly cooling off into the low 80s, adding a few more clouds to the forecast for next weekend. For the valley, upper 80s tomorrow, so sunny and warm winds out of the north. As we head into Tuesday, we cool things off a few more degrees, but keep the sky clear. As we head into Wednesday, that's when we switch towards onshore flow, bringing slightly cooler air in from off the ocean, but still it's going to be warm with highs in the low 80s through the end of the week and into next weekend.